Hello students, in the last session of the revision, I told you that we shall discuss about the Punamchand Jaishankar Pandya. Punamchand Jaishankar Pandya was born in 1905 and died in 1948 when Britishers were ruling in the Megraj village of Sabarkantha. Every year Holi was celebrated with the great favor and Britishers had a bad law. They will make the statue named Laji, which would be a man of not wearing any clothes. The statue would be put up in the village center and it was made compulsory for the villagers to move around the statue on the day of Holi. Once the youth of the village got together and they brought together by a young man called Punamchand Pandya. When Britishers went away at night, Punamchand and friend broke the statue. And next day everybody came there to follow the rule by the Britishers. There was no statue. Officials inquired. Punamchand Pandya accepted his offence. The court ran the case and he was sentenced. The law of Britishers slavery was removed and Punamchand took part in the fight of non-cooperation against the foreign government. This was the fearlessness of him. So he went to the jail several times. To remember this patriot, his statue is there in the PCN High School even today and keep his name immortal. A road this city is also named Freedom Fighter Punamchand Pandya Road. Similarly, I explain and gave there are other martyrs name event 1, 2 and 3 in my PDF that also you can study it at home. What would you do if this happens is also a given to you. If epidemic strikes, then you will call to a doctor. His friend suffer from nausea, you will treat him with some glucose and all. And theft at your neighbor's home, you will inform to the police. Then our patriots pictures are given. Chandrasekhar Azad, Shyamji Krishna Verma, Ram Prasad Bismil and Bhagat Singh. Various honors of the bravery works of the children up to the 16 years of the age. National Bravery Award is given since 1957. Sanjay Chopra Award 1978, Geeta Chopra 1978, Bharat Award 1987 and Bapu Gayadhani Award 1988. Now, in our next session of the revision lesson number 12, let us make a map. Dear students, now you have plenty of spare time. So I request all of you to let us make a map. Observe the table, chair and other things in the school, in the home, and you can have the different symbols which I have given, that also you can use, which I have not given, that also you can use and study it. Let us square below the classroom and show the position of the things in our classroom. That is my homework that I have given to you, and you can compare with your friend's map and discuss what are the differences came out regarding this point. What are the differences came out regarding this point, and then you can say to this. Fill in the colors and map of your school, and whatever in front of us, that should be the upper side of the, whatever is behind us should be shown in the lower side of the map, and whatever is on the side is shown to the left and right side of the school. This also work I have given to you. That is the map of a Ranpur village. Eastern side library, post office is located. Northern side well garden, southern side one home, deep well, pond. That hospital is entirely to the west. Bird feed is also given there in the center part. So you can combine with the two direction, southeast, northeast, then northwest and southwest. Similarly, after combining this, you can add more attractions to it at your home when you are free. Use the textbook, put more symbols in it, and then you can have it this This is one practice work, dear students, so please do it well. Next we shall talk more about it. Thank you.